Well, this is day 2 of the Great Pie-a-thon. The bourbon pecan is in the oven. I'm about to tear into espresso French silk. I just realized I bought the wrong coconut cream. I bought light instead of full fat. But the house is clean, which is huge on my list. The table is set. I'm melting chocolate, and I have 5 more pies to go. But all of my pie shells are pre-baked, and they've already been baked off. So I'm pretty much ahead of the game. I do know I have to be out of the house by 10 o'clock in the morning to get to the seed swap, and then it's going to be a sprint to the finish. And shockingly, I'm taking a pie to the potluck dinner at the seed swap. So, because why not? Anyway, so I will post as I'm moving through all these pies and I will post all of the recipes on my blog. So there'll be a link below how you can get some of these recipes. Some of these I'm making up, and I'm just going along as whatever comes to mind. So wish me luck. But anyway, here we go. It has been a day. So I'm going to clean up my mess. Last pie just went in the refrigerator, and I have quite a mess to clean up. So I'll give you a tour of my not Martha Stewart baking kitchen, because I tried to do clean as you go. I failed miserably. And I'll show you the mess.